Okay, we're going to try this again. Um, I My game is called Question and Answer Game. The Kahoot template version is what I used. And the content area connection, special education grades 4 through 6. Math processing help is what they need with formulas. Basic trivia for easiest or for easy confidence building questions. And life self-sufficiency skills are also something we focus on in the classroom. Um, developmentally appropriate. I think so. These students are all on IEP plans and require individualized acceptance of their potential learning styles and learning goals. There are 10 students in the class. Life skills can be taught to these students as well for just for self-sufficiency purposes. And they're about a second grade level in reading and math curriculum. Rules and procedures for my game, points awarded, and they can be accumulated with correct answers. Questions difficulty level differs depending on the question. And there are entertaining videos for learning purposes and enjoyment purposes as well. So basically, let us play. You have to go to Kahoot.it, Kahoot.it, and create a nickname. It will then give you a pin, and the pin on here is wrong. So let me fix. Actually, it really doesn't matter. You just have to go create a pin because it's just going to recycle it for you anyway. And I already have it up here, and I'm in. And when you do all that, you create a nickname. I'm Super Ant, and I'll go to this other window. Not that. I'm one player, and I'm ready to play. And this is just a demo, so here we go. And there's 9 questions with a good little goofy guy at the beginning of it. And 45 minus 26. And again, there's videos and everything. And here's the chicken dance right here. I'm just not having it play in my ear because I don't know how to get that off. I'm not that technologically adapt yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and be like, okay, it's 19. I know it's 19. I'm going to make them do the formula. And it's not letting me do it. So that's really weird. But you do click the right answer. And the right answer is 19, but so it may not let me accumulate points in the demo, which is going to be fun. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the next question. Oh, I just realized, can I, okay. So this is where you hit your answers. So next, yeah, you learn as you go, I guess. That was strange. And the next question, 2 of 9. And again, this is multiplication mashup and Halloween theme, time of year we're in. And without messing around, it will make you go through the entire videos, and that's something we don't have time for. But it so it's going to want to be A. And again, point totals will accumulate. I'm not sure why the points are not coming up here. I tried to iron out all the kinks, but I'm just kind of doing a demo right now too. is 5 to the left or right on a number line? We talk a lot about number lines, and there's a video to kind of give them hints. And the correct answer is obviously left. So we're going to do left, yes. So it's at least showing you the correct answers. I don't know why it's not keeping score for me. That's a kink I've not yet learned about. Next, I'm 0 because you won't score my points. But the fourth question, 64 times 10, we're doing multiplication. There's a video to kind of give them a little scaffolding clues. Yeah, so and the answer is obviously 640. And like I said, 640. But the questions were supposed to go up 1,000 points per question correctness. So I should have a perfect score right now. This is the last. No, this is not the last. I'm sorry, I made it do randomness. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to skip that. And next, this one had a picture of a baseball to get him in the right mood. And again, I don't know where the baseball went. But basically, bags of balls. Bob had 8 balls in a bag, and he removes 5 of them. What's the correct answer going to be? Obviously, this is setting up subtraction problem. And with the absence of the baseball, it is 3. The correct answer is 3. True or false? The numbers less than 0 are called negative numbers. And I have the number dancing guy in the middle of the screen here. Numbers to the left, numbers less than 0 are called negative numbers. We just talked about this in my class, at my field ed. So the answer is true. Next. Donald Trump was our first president in history. Obviously, this is not true. I have a little scaffolding video to basically tell them how the government's set up. And the answer is not true. So it's going to be false. And we'll see how that works out here. And next. This is the last question. February has how many months? And this is a trick question. Gave them a little hint here of how many days and kind of a goofy cartoon to boot. 29? No. 31? No. 28? No. But then a way to teach them about what leap year means. Leap year is when February has 29 days. And the correct answer is going to be the leap year. And that is it. So that was really kind of weird. It didn't score my points. So, and you can go for feedback. And show feedback. And this is where it gives you feedback. But again, it did not show my scores, which I found very strange. But game over. And you can save it to a drive or direct download. And that would be it. I'm going to go back, and this is where I want to plan. And there's my PowerPoint, which we've gone through. And that is all. And I'm now going to stop recording. Thank you for your time.